In this quick video guide, we're gonna make a test on creating 3D objects using 2D images and this generator on Prome AI, which is the 3D AI generator of 3D models. So first thing we're gonna do is get into Prome AI. We already created other video guides on this, so if you're interested, you can check the other videos. And I'm gonna go directly here on the home page, and from the home page we can access various features and tools. So we are testing different types of tools from this AI here, and this is the free version, which is going to give you a limited set of coins to spend of 1 month. And so we are going around here and testing the various features. Some of these they already work perfectly fine. Some others are like under development and they are like a little bit more experimental. So if you're interested in more, just go in the channel and look for the playlist or the other videos. Just type Prome AI in the search bar in the channel. So today we're going to go here in the workflows in the AI tools, and we're going to use the AI 3D model generator. Now there are some examples here of other models, and so we can also take one of these as usual. We can experiment with that, or we can create our own. Now I think these were created spending a lot of time because it takes a lot of time to get the correct model, and you need to do a lot of tests, and probably you need also like the advanced version or the premium version. But let's go here, generation and history. Now here we can choose an image by uploading or drag and drop, or we can pick one of these that is given by Prome AI itself. So if you want to use your image, it needs to have clear outlines. So it needs to be pretty understandable by the artificial intelligence, and then you generate, and also the clearer the object will be, the better the 3D model is going to be generated. So just take some reference here. You look at these images, and those are perfect for creating 3D. But we're going to do some tests. I want to try like with a sketch or like a really flat drawing and see what's going to happen. So I will go to here and upload an image that I want to use because I don't have anything. I don't have anything at the moment. I want to do like sort of character. So I'm gonna upload a new one. I do have a character there, but I want to look for another one. So I'm just gonna do a search in Google here. I'm using this browser, but I can change the render, sorry, the search engine. And I'm gonna go to tools, Creative Commons images. So I have images that I can use for any purpose, and just not gonna look around here and see if I find something interesting. But you can see these are most of them. They are like 2D flat drawing or sketches or illustration. So let's say I want to use this, which is a flat, totally flat image. So it's not good for the 3D generator, but we will try to make it good some way or another. So this is from the Vector Portal website. So you can click on the download, you can download it, and it's called the paintbrush character vector and icon. So you can, if you want to look for it, you find it in there. And I'm gonna just save it as this. Okay. And that there's the information there if you need it. So I'm gonna go back to Prome AI and I'm gonna upload now using my folder, and there you go. Now you can also edit this. We can change the colors or other stuff using Prome AI. Again, it's explained in other videos in the channel, but just gonna go and generate. Just gonna generate right away a 3D and look what happens. And that's the result, which is not extraordinary as usual. The first results are never satisfying using Prome AI, or almost never. So you need to stay here, work a lot. Also, the downloadable feature is a premium feature. So there you go. We can only visualize it here. To actually download it, we need to buy some subscription plan. So let's just click and visualize it in 3D just to have a clue of what is happening here. And you can see if I rotate a little bit around or orbit around, you can see it's not doing a really great job because this is a flat surface. Even if I download it in 3D, it's just like a sprite for a video game or something. So it's not really what I was expecting, but I think that's because of the nature of the image. So I think that at this moment, the generator, the 3D model generator needs some like 3D image like this, which looks already like a 3D rendering. So let's try with this and generate. And this is the one that it's given by Prome AI. And well, let's see, it looks different from the original image. So, but you can orbit around if you, let's go inside this generated image here, and again, to download we need to be in the Premium version, and there you go. So if I go inside here, you can see it's a 3D object, not as precise as the 3D object you can model with Maya or Blender or ZBrush or whatever character design and sculpting application out there, but it's a little bit, it's a something. I think these features will develop furthermore in the future, but right now we are just experimenting and testing. Now what we can do is turn our 2D sketch into a more 3D rendering or 3D representation using sketch rendering, for example, which is another tool in Prome AI. So we can use this as a base image, and then we can apply some prompts here and use this as a base sketch and turn it into a more 3D image by using the prompts right here. So we already dedicated other videos to this. So essentially we need a reference image, and then we need an engine here. We can use the version 3, and then we can define a style. So we would go in a 3D style, or you can create anime or similar, and then you can choose a type of scene and then also a mode. So you can make different tasks. I think for 3D, we probably, well, not outline. Outline I think is better for 2D in a way. If you, I'm gonna select depth because it says suited for real life photos or 3D model screenshots. So probably that's the best one. And then you have like a degree of creativity. The more you increase their creativity, the more it's going to turn out with really strange and well creative results. So just go here. Also, if you want, you can enforce the generation using some prompts and just click on generate and see what's going to happen. So I think AIs in general, artificial intelligence, they need to be improved, but still you can go there and generate more and see what's going to happen. Perhaps you get more ideas, new ideas, like kind of brainstorming, and you need to increase, you can enhance the prompt words and the text. You can make some adjustments here in the options. So again, 3D depth, I think it's fine for 3D effect. Creativity, you can see generated like different characters because I increased the creativity at some point. Then I use also these perspectives. You can choose the type of perspective, the type of lighting, and then hit on generate and generate and generate many times until you have something close to what you were looking for. And there you go. So I think that the last one there was pretty good, but we can also take another one and just try again with a 3D generator with a 3D image. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter and check our other video courses and video classes. So thanks again and see you in the next guide.